Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and most insightful updates from the world of finance and cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to discuss 4 Bitcoin-related stocks that you might want to consider adding to your portfolio before the next big rally. Market overview. The cryptocurrency market has been experiencing some turbulence over the past 3 months, with Bitcoin's price dropping significantly from its all-time high in March. On July 3rd, Bitcoin was hovering around $58,600, a sharp decline from the all-time high of $73,750.07 it hit on March 14th. Despite the recent downturn, Bitcoin had an impressive rally in 2023, gaining 157%. This rally was fueled by the approval of 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs by the Securities and Exchange Commission in January, allowing both retail and institutional investors a regulated and accessible way to invest in Bitcoin. Since the approval, these ETFs have attracted net inflows of about $14.41 billion, according to a recent report from CC Data. The halving event. The rally came to a halt in April with the beginning of the Bitcoin halving event, which takes place once every 4 years. The halving cuts the block reward by 50%, limiting the total supply of Bitcoin to 21 million coins. This reduction in the rate of new Bitcoin supply increases demand, often leading to a price surge. Although the recent decline is temporary, the effects of the halving event are expected to fade out, potentially leading to another price increase. Federal Reserve's impact. In addition to the halving event, the Federal Reserve's monetary policy has also influenced the crypto market. After the June FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell announced that the Fed anticipates only 1 rate cut this year, a decline from the 3 cuts projected in March. Even a single 25 basis point rate cut has been welcomed positively by the market, especially since many participants had previously expected no rate cuts in 2024. Moreover, the latest FOMC dot plot forecasts a cumulative 1% decrease in interest rates by 2025, which is seen as beneficial for sectors like technology stocks, consumer discretionary stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Stock picks. With these factors in mind, let's take a look at 4 crypto-oriented stocks that have strong potential for 2024. Each of these stocks carries either a Zacks rank number 1, strong buy, or 2 buy. 1. NVIDIA Corporation, NVDA. NVIDIA is the worldwide leader in visual computing technologies and the inventor of the GPU. Over the years, NVIDIA's focus has evolved from PC graphics to AI-based solutions that support high-performance computing, gaming, and virtual reality platforms. NVIDIA has an expected earnings growth rate of 106.2% for the current year, and the Zacks consensus estimate for current year earnings has improved 12.1% over the last 60 days. Currently, NVIDIA sports a Zacks rank number 1. 2. Robinhood Markets Inc. Hood. Robinhood operates a financial services platform in the United States, allowing users to invest in stocks, ETFs, options, gold, and cryptocurrencies. Through its Robinhood crypto platform, users can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other cryptocurrencies. Robinhood's expected earnings growth rate for the current year is more than 100%, and the Zacks consensus estimate for current year earnings has improved 93.1% over the last 60 days. Robinhood currently holds a Zacks rank number 3. Interactive Brokers Group Inc., IBKR. Interactive Brokers is a global automated electronic broker that executes, processes, and trades in cryptocurrencies. It also offers customers a chance to trade cryptocurrency futures through its commodities futures trading desk. Interactive Brokers has an expected earnings growth rate of 16.2% for the current year, and the Zacks consensus estimate for current year earnings has improved 1.4% over the last 60 days. Interactive Brokers currently has a Zacks rank number 2. 4. Coinbase Global Inc. Coin. Coinbase provides financial infrastructure and technology to support the global cryptocurrency economy. It offers a main financial account for consumers in the crypto space, a marketplace with liquidity for institutional crypto asset transactions, and technology and services for developers to build crypto-based applications and accept cryptocurrencies securely as payment. Coinbase's expected earnings growth rate for the current year is more than 100%, and the Zacks consensus estimate for current year earnings has improved 2.6% over the last 60 days. Coinbase currently sports a Zacks rank number 1. These 4 stocks, NVIDIA, Robinhood, Interactive Brokers, and Coinbase, are well positioned to benefit from the next Bitcoin rally. As always, it's important to do your own research and consider your financial situation before making any investment decisions. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the crypto and financial markets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest news and analysis. Let us know in the comments which stocks you're watching and why.